What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deals video, and I got a lot to talk to y'all about today. Literally, we're going through every tab, so let's just go. First up, in the Facebook group, Arthur Perez posted this 2 days ago. He got these Metabo HPT finish nailer kits, not just the nailer, but the kits with one 3 amp hour battery, a charger, and a bag for $78. That's why you gotta be in the group, y'all. That's why you have to be in the group so you don't miss this stuff. Now, my BrickSeek, it was acting up, but it's working now. I'll leave a link to it. Moving on over to Amazon, we have this Vantrue E2 dash cam. All right, so I did a review on this a couple weeks ago. I posted it. Something weird happened with YouTube, and like nobody saw it. So I'm going to link it up here in the upper right hand corner. Go check it out. This thing works really, really good. I've been using it for months. The low light, look, the low light quality of this camera is better than your actual visual eye with your headlight. It is clear. The thing works very good. It's a front and rear cam, has a remote control, and it's on sale right now for $199. Now, likewise, they have this E3. Now, this is the same, but it has 3 cameras instead of the 2. So it'll do what's in front of you, what's behind you, and inside the cab. So if you do like, let's face it, when it comes to those types of jobs, the real fun goes on in the inside, you know what I'm saying? And we need to record those things. And so this is $209. So honestly, for the money, you'd be better off with this. So anyway, that's that. Moving on, we have this Tautronic space heater. I just posted a video, what was that, yesterday or the day before, on space heaters. I have a Tautronics. It's on right. Well, I just turned it off, but it works really, really good. $49.88 for this large programmable one with a remote. So it's a good deal there. If you didn't see that video of how these things use up the same amount of electricity but have a completely different heat output, you need to go check that video out. Again, up here in the upper right hand corner. Save yourself some money, save yourself some heartache. Go check that out and get you a good space heater, okay? Moving on again, EcoFlow is having a sale right now up to 50% off. They did have a BOGO going on the other day. I just forgot to mention it. I was a little tired. But they're having a sale. The BOGO is still going. So it's buy one, get one 50% off. So it's not buy one, get one free, but it's buy one, get one 50% off on all of these items down here. So have at it. That's all I can say is have at it. Also, on top of the BOGO, use my code to get an additional 5% off your purchase. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss any deals in the future, because guess what? We got some more lots of heat coming up over at Home Depot. So Home Depot is having a special buy of the day. We're going to go through some of the special buys and then also some regular deals. There are some good deals here today, but I kind of want to highlight some weird ones. So first off, we have this Ryobi sliding compound miter saw kit with a 4 amp hour battery and a charger for $229, right? Then if you scroll down, you have the IT tool only for $279. So that's peculiar. Just be careful out here in these streets. And yes, before you ask, they are the exact same thing. The funny thing is the model number for this is like basically spells out problems. Problems 01. Anyway, this is Problems 01 and this is Problems 01K with the kit. Same thing, $229. So I don't know if that's a glitch or they meant to reverse the prices, but grab this if you needed one. Also, this fan kit, I tell y'all, when these things are $59, grab them. I love this fan. It's so good. It's so quiet. Every other one that I've used, from DeWalt, Milwaukee, Flex, is just loud. They might blow a little more air, but it's annoying, the noise. This is really whisper quiet. I love this thing for $59, and it comes with a battery, 2 amp hour battery, and a charger. Now the other weird one are these DeWalts right here with this drill and this light for $199. I don't really like that. Then this drill, this impact driver, and this battery. That's not bad. With this impact driver, the small one with a 5 amp hour battery, and this power stack battery. Now, it's throwing me off because it keeps saying 2 amp hour power stack battery. To my mind, I thought they were 1.7 amp hours, but okay. Or you can get this newer, faster, more, albeit bigger impact driver here with this. I'm not trusting these. This clearly doesn't look like a 2 amp hour battery right here. It looks like a 1.7 amp hour battery, but then this also, as far as I know, is a 1.7 hour battery. Anyways, basically 2 amp hour batteries are in the power stack for 169. You could do that as well. Also, come down here. This is not bad either with this speaker, but the speaker is not that great. Now, if you didn't need the kit and you just simply wanted the impact driver, you could do this BOGO right here from the holidays with the 2 power stacks, the 5 amp hour, and then the 1.7 amp hour. I got it right there. And come on over to the cart. When you add them all to the cart, add this for $149. Add that kit. Obviously, you get 2 free tools, and then you add the most expensive thing you can find, which would be the impact wrench for $219. And then this bad boy breaks down to be $66.79, which is crackhead. All right, moving on. I was fumbling all through that one. We got this Ryobi deep impact socket set for $27.97, 11-piece. I showed you guys. Go watch the video from Saturday. I know I posted it dumb late, like at 10:40 Central Time. I was just experimenting to see if anybody was up. Apparently not. But go back and look at that video. Some real heat in that video. It really was. It's super good deals. But there was a Husky 11-piece with a lifetime warranty for $35, which was also very good. It's no longer valid now. It's $62.97 again, but this was $34. But this is the same amount of pieces for $27.97 and pretty much the same sizes. So yeah, same size it looks like. So I would grab this all day. Ryobi would not skimp on these impact sockets. Also, it comes with a hard case, which I like, and it's equivalent with their little link system. So good deal there. Moving on, we have this Milwaukee. Again, this is a special buy deal. Milwaukee rear handle circular saw and jigsaw for $319. Jigsaw alone is only $250, and this is normally $250. We're talking about almost $500 worth of stuff for $319. Moving on, we have this impact wrench with the angle grinder, the mid torque for $275, which is crazy because the angle grinder is normally $199. It's not the one with the rapid stop, but this was normally $199, and this is normally $2 something itself for $275. That is a smoking deal right there. Then we also have, look who's on sale, their Milwaukee's brand new high torque impact wrench with the 3/8 inch mid torque impact wrench for $339. And this bad boy right here is $299 itself. So for an extra $40, you're getting this bad boy. Buy this, sell this, and this is, I mean, you winning all day, man. I might take advantage of that one. Golly. Moving on again. We have this compact bandsaw with the angle grinder again. For this is $199, and this is normally like, you can find this for $160 something. I don't really like this deal because I don't like compact bandsaws. They're very limited in their use. Like, you would get this for a very specific use. If you worked in construction and you were constantly cutting rebar in certain size pipes, fine. But for like a DIY handyman, I would say get the big one, the 5-inch, because you can use, it's just way more versatile. Moving on, we have this kit here. We're all familiar, of course, $199 with a 5 amp hour high output battery, so not bad there. Moving on again, we have this rigid 8-tool combo kit. Okay, so it comes with 3 batteries, 2 2 amp hour batteries, a 4 amp hour battery. You have your drill, impact driver, flashlight, your blower, your orbital sander, a circular saw, reciprocating saw, and an oscillating tool, charger, and 2 bags. Now, I showed you guys on Saturday in that other video. Go check it out. You can get the 4-tool combo for $215 on clearance in store only. And this is coming with, obviously, 4 extra tools and that was on clearance for $215. So for roughly $155 extra, you can have 4 extra tools, which is not bad. Don't forget your rigid lifetime service agreement. It is not a warranty, so it could be a little fickle at times, depending on your luck. This is not a brushless kit, but again, if you are a handyman, DIYer, that really won't matter with these. You'll be okay. And again, if something does happen, you do have your LSA, but again, it could be a little fickle because it's not a warranty. So that is it for today's video. Hopefully it was helpful. Share it with your brethren. Don't be stingy sharing the deals. Go check out those other videos I mentioned, and I'll see you guys next time.